We all have used this, from slide background in our presentations to functional work tool in every mechanical operations, ranging from smaller clocks in your wrist to complex heavy vehicles on the road. Gears. Let's see about the machine that produces it. Hey guys, my name is Susin and you're about to watch the paths and the working principle of universal milling machine. Gears with parallel axes such as spur gear and helical gear are produced with this universal milling machine. This particular one we are about to watch is manufactured by a industry leader, Hindustan Machine Tools. By the way, with that out of the way, let's get you a show on the road.
Hi friends, today I am going to speak about universal milling machine. Today I am going to explain about the universal milling machine. This is a base in which all the force is acted. It's a column.
Hi friends, let's see about the working of the universal milling machine. Before that, this is the place where the actual work gets done. In the process, there are various types of feeds. This is a longitudinal feed. This aligns the workpiece in a longitudinal manner. Adjacent to that, we find the vertical feed that moves the table and y-axis, which impacts the height between the cutter and the workpiece directly, up and down. Above that, we have the index plate, which is used to change the number of teeth in the gear to be machined. Coming back to the core place where a job gets done, we have a tree-jaw self-centering chuck to hold the workpiece during operation. In this machining process, the cutter tool rotates, that's the tool is in motion, while the workpiece is stationary during the entire operation. Let's now watch the feed in action. This is the primary power controller of this machine. Switching it on initiates rotation of the cutting tool for the operation. We have the gear changing chart and metal removal rate chart for reference. Left to that, we find a handle that changes the number of rotations per minute (RPM) of the cutting tool. Right to that, we find the feed gearbox. It changes the feed rate. This part is a quite interesting one. About the longitudinal feed, we could see a couple of gears running across. If these gears are attached, the result is a spur gear. If they aren't, it results in helical gears machining.
It's about the working and construction of universal milling machine. Hope you understood the working of the universal milling machine better. Thanks for listening.